I'm very out of practice in general, but I have not done anything difficult on this KDX. So now it's going to be a learning curve of the power and the weight compared to my KLX that I was hitting this stuff on. So this is a good little small hill. That was in second gear with clutching. KDX had no problem. Plenty of torque, plenty of power. I about looped it. Like, the difference in weight and power coming off of a 320 pound dual sport, it's crazy. It's like a bicycle. I need to practice that one a few more times before I find the really big ones, but that was a fun one.